Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pipedrive to DocuSign for deal document management. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Pipedrive to DocuSign for effective deal document management, begin by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the Settings section in the sidebar. In the Settings menu, locate and select the Integrations option. Look for DocuSign in the available integrations list. Click on the DocuSign integration to open its configuration options. You will see a button that says Connect. Click on the Connect button to initiate the linking process. A new window will appear, prompting you to log into your DocuSign account. Enter your DocuSign credentials and click Login. Once logged in, you may be asked to grant Pipedrive permissions to access your DocuSign account. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the Pipedrive integrations page. Your DocuSign account is now connected to Pipedrive. To manage deal documents, navigate to a specific deal within Pipedrive. On the deal page, look for the option to send documents. Click on the Send Document button. You will see a list of document templates linked to your DocuSign account. Select the document template you wish to use. Customize any necessary fields or information within the selected document. After finalizing the document details, click on Send to initiate the signing process. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to sign the document in DocuSign. You can track the signing status directly from your Pipedrive deal page. This integration streamlines your document management process and enhances collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.